Okay. How to make a twirly copter. Take your square piece of paper and tilt it so it's a diamond. Fold the top point down to the bottom point, and fold the right point over to the left point, creating two lines of symmetry. Fold the very top point down to the center, and fold the bottom point up to the center. It should have a hexagon. Take the top parallel edge down to the horizontal fold line and crease. Do the same to the bottom. Now you have a similar irregular hexagon. Do the same step as before. Now fold the figure in half with a little bit of glue on the inside. Take the top flap and fold it down at a 45-degree angle. Take the back flap and fold it down too. Adjust the flaps, and to launch, put the handle up and throw it up. It should spin at the bottom.